Good day everyone, welcome to Update Community. Today I'll be teaching you about a particular AI that is very effective. If you are a science student, most especially a computer science student, and you are into coding, this AI is for you. It is very perfect. The AI is very good. Even if you search online, you barely even find it. But this AI is very good. The name of this AI is DeepSeek. As you can see on my desktop, I've used the AI already. That is why I'm bringing it to you, because I've tested it and I've trusted it to be very effective. So let's open DeepSeek. Without wasting time, let's open DeepSeek and see what DeepSeek is capable of. This is the DeepSeek dashboard. If you look at this, I'm a project writer too. I write projects for students, and this is one of my research that I've made with this particular AI. It's an expert. It is very good. So as a writer, let's say as a developer, as a programmer, if you want to give this AI an instruction, let's say give it an instruction to write a program to develop a particular software or a website, let's look at how this AI is going to work. But the first thing you need to do is, one thing I always advise students or people using AI to do is this. When using AI, when giving AI a prompt, don't give it a prompt on what you don't want it to do. Instruct it to do only that which you want it to do. So in this case, we are going to tell DeepSeek to develop a website for us. Remember, this application is only going to work basically on the instructions given to it. The simple and specific the input, the simple and specific the output. That is, if you give it a specific prompt, it is going to develop a result or a task specifically depending on that prompt you've given to it. So let's give it a simple prompt and see how it's going to work with it. Write a program to develop an e-commerce website. Make it simple and precise. Build it in any programming language of your choice. So let's send it now. This is our prompt. Write a program to develop an e-commerce website. Make it simple and precise. Build it in any programming language of your choice. If I want, I will specify the particular programming language which I want it to build it in. But here, I'm not going to specify. Let it decide which programming language is going to use. So let's send a prompt and see what will happen. Wow. Wow. You can see it is building it, and after building it, it will still give you instructions. It will still give you instructions on how to install it, integrate it in your system, in your programming language. Look at it. Let's look at it very well. At the end of the day, if time allows us, we are still going to run this application and see how it is going to look like. Let's see how the application is going to look like. See how the application is going to look like. Yes, everything is done. So let's look at our code. You see, I will create a simple e-commerce website using Python with Flask backend and HTML/CSS for front end. Here is a minimal but functional implementation. Project structure. Look at the structure. It gives you a structure of what it is going to build for you. For people that are computer science students, or for people that are interested in learning coding, these are the instructions you need to. This is the structure. You need to understand the structure of how your program is going to look like before you start planning it. The first thing is e-commerce website, which means you are going to create a folder. Your programming language, you are going to create a folder, and in this folder, e-commerce site, the folder is going to contain app.py, which is app.python for Python file. It is going to contain requirements.txt. It is going to contain statics. This statics is also a folder. This statics is going to contain style.css for cascading style sheet. That is for design. We're still going to have template in this folder named e-commerce site. The templates folder, this is a subfolder which is supposed to carry, it is going to carry index file, index.html file, product.html file, and cat.html file. This is the back end. The first step is the back end, which is the app.py for Python. This is the back end. These are the requirements. This is